Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to create t-shirt design online. So to do that, go to canva.com and then sign up if you don't have an account here or log in if you have on Canva. Then you can see now the homepage of canva.com, and in the search bar, search t-shirt and then click t-shirt. And you can see a lots of t-shirt templates that you can buy, or you can create a free t-shirt design or choose a free template here, sample here, then click customize this template. Then you can now design your t-shirt here in Canva. After you design it, then click the share at the upper right corner and click download. So that's it. That's how to create t-shirt design online. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.